Instagram friends and maybe YouTube friends too. I just had an idea and I thought I'd share it with you all. I seem to have a lot of you are interested in, a lot of you are designers like me. And I don't know if you struggle with this, but I have a lot of ideas and I have lots of ideas and limited time. And I often want to, I'm in a rush, like, gotta get them all made and try making them, and so I can get them out there to people. And what I just realized is ideas are like a waterfall. And like a waterfall, they just will keep flowing. And it would be kind of like if you were at a waterfall and you said, well, I want to capture some water so I can drink it now and drink it later. And I'm going to try and capture all of this water that's coming down from this waterfall. And the thing is, you'd kind of drive yourself crazy trying to capture all of the water that's coming out of the waterfall. It's just impossible. And if you just trust that that waterfall is going to keep flowing, because it will, you can just capture the idea or the cup of water that's right in front of you right now. And just trust that tomorrow you'll be able to capture more ideas, more water from that waterfall tomorrow. So I hope that this analogy helps some of you. I hope it helps me too. It probably won't slow me down too much, but I will try to remember this myself so I don't drive myself so crazy with starting new projects all the time. All right, hope you guys are having a good day. Let me know what kind of ideas you're working on and what you think of the concept. So, talk to you soon. Bye.